Palm City is a beautiful choice from the RevWood Premier Collection. These planks feature a length of 54.33 inches, a width of 8.35 inches, and a thickness of 12 millimeters. This stylish design features beautiful wood visuals thanks to its Genu-Edge edge treatment and signature texture technologies. These visuals bring the realism of hardwood straight into your home. Palm City also features both Wet Protect protection and an all-pet warranty, ensuring that damage from accidental spills and messes is nothing to worry about. Made sustainably in the USA, with carbon-negative practices, Palm City is the perfect choice for you and your space. This beautiful flooring is available in 6 colors. Visit georgiacarpet.com or call 1-800-535-8789 to request a sample, for more information, and for the best deals.